I would love to show you how to paint these glorious pine branches. Okay, what brush to choose? I'm going to choose, let's see what brush to choose. We're going to choose the thinner brush. No, paint branch. Here is, I'm just drawing like this. And then very simple, we hold brush as further from the brittle as possible in a very light and dancing movement. Movement from right now, we're not even worrying. We can correct as we go. And then fill a little bit more. Then usually it is phenomenal to add maybe one more branch going like this. And again, we're not even worried about so-called imperfections, because everything, every movement is a celebration of our creativity. Then in art, I believe there are no such thing as mistake. Maybe like this, like so. Beautiful and very easy. In the previous bags, I'll show you how to do dots, reminding snowflakes on our bag, doing like this. Right now, let's try a completely different way. Let's have plenty of acrylic. Use this brush or any other brush, let's see, and we'll just do a little bit of... Oh, this brush is a little bit too springy, and it created those lines. We really don't want lines, but that's okay. Maybe it's a swirly snow. Let's use a different brush. So here's another brush. I'm going to use this one. And like I said, there's no mistake. So we just gentle, gentle, gentle snow, falling snow. Falling snow. A little bit more. And if you're nervous a little bit, you can always use your scrap paper, and just to see, because some artists doing different directions, some like this, some like this. So see how you are comfortable to create those kind of splashing. It's really fun. In fact, I'm using this technique even in my oil paintings. That's our snowy Christmas day. So with this design, we can leave it as is, with this just splashing like this. We can add a little bit of serpentine, is that how you pronounce that? Or we can do some dots. However, I'm going to use this opportunity and to show you how to paint some of snowflakes. Here is our inspiration, like this. Let's see what we can do. I'm using the thinnest brush. We'll do very simple line, another line, in the middle another line, and in the middle another line, very gently. We can add anything we want. We can do dots at the end, like this. With the end of the brush. We can connect this as a circle or as just lines like this. We can do something like that. It's really your fantasy. I never have a specific plan for snowflakes, but I remember living in Siberia, where we every day had extraordinary designs of frost on our windows. And I used to just stare on that and marvel the beauty of frost and snowflakes on our windows. We can add on more lines like this. The design is actually completely endless. And we can do a bigger dots right here. And if you feel it's a little bit, it needs a little bit more, we can do bigger dots around. Like so. Somewhere here, just small one like this.